Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Building the Syren. This week, we are going to continue working on the stern. In this episode, I will plank the stern and finish one of the scratch-built pieces I started last time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing. Without further ado, let's get started. I started by cutting blanks. I bent them using a jig made with patterns from the plans. I use a heat gun on low setting to help me with this effort. However, a hairdryer would work too. Positioning the plank that will carry the name of the ship was a bit challenging. I use a piece from the kit to help me with this effort. Now, I glue the next 5 planks. The final plank needed a notch, so I started by marking it and cut it off camera. I use a little strip of the whole planking to make sure that the filler in the stern is at the right height. I sand the plank with various tools and different grades of sandpaper, making sure to leave untouched the curve of the stern planks. I dry fit the scratch piece made in a previous episode. Then I turn the model and mark the location of the gun ports. To remove the bulk of the material, I use my scroll saw. I almost went too far and ruined this piece. It was a very close one. With a combination of various carving knife, files, I shaped the gun port and fine-tuned the pieces. I track my progress by dry finning the piece in the model. Here's a result after a bit of work. I used tape to protect the sides of the hole in preparation for the removal of all the excess of the stern planks. It was easily done with a saw and various grades of sandpaper. Well, this concludes this week's episode. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoy it. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next episode.